Hey, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Some of you were asking me about berries. As you know, I'm the clinical consultant for berries, and we're always releasing these new product updates. We did release an amazing update a couple weeks ago, and it's templates basically. So there's all these new templates inside of berries that you can use. EMDR templates, templates for simple practice, therapy notes, and basically what they are is they're like pre-written notes that you can go in, you can edit them, you can change anything that you want inside of them, but they're formatted already for being able to copy and paste essentially into whatever you're using. So if you're using therapy notes, Headway, simple practice, we've got the templates already in there for you now. You just select that note when you see your client and it's going to put it in that format for you. And then you copy all and then you drop it over in your EHR. So I think I might have touched on that a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to bring it up again just in case you missed it before. It's amazing. And the way that you can customize and personalize now, basically there's like a blank one in there where you can go in and pick different fields. So you can just build your own form really easily, just like drag and drop. And then you can even put prompts in there, like what you want it to be asking for in that section or what you want the AI to be listening for in that section. And then it's just going to populate it when you have your session with your client when you record it. So if you're a Berries member, go check it out. If you're not, go sign up for heyberries.com/therapist. Use code 50 from Kim, KYM, 50 from Kim, and you'll get $50 off your first month. But anyway, that isn't even what I was going to talk about, but I just wanted to remind you guys in case I hadn't mentioned it before. Yesterday in the Clinical AI Club, we had our monthly meeting. So once a month, I have a 90-minute implementation session where I'm in there and we're just like geeking out about AI. And I'm just really telling you guys, it's showing the members everything I'm doing with AI. And they ask me questions like, if I want to do this, what tool would I use or what would you recommend for this? So we do a lot of that back and forth in that meeting. But I shared them something yesterday that I am working on, and I thought, why not tell you guys about it too, in case you ever want to do it. So in Canva Pro, if you have Canva Pro, I've talked about this a couple times on this podcast. Canva released a ton of AI stuff, like an AI suite, basically on April 10th, I think they released it, but they're always kind of like adding to it a little bit. So you have to really keep your eye on it. One thing they released that I haven't really talked about much is when you go into Canva AI, it'll say, what do you want to design today? And you go down at the bottom, it's like design for me, create an image, draft a doc, or code for me. So if you click on code for me, you can basically have Canva create these really cool web apps for you. And you can actually even publish them to URL. So by web apps, I mean like forums you can interact with or like apps. They're basically essentially apps that you can create without having to know how to code. And Canva AI does it for you. And it also makes it really pretty because it's Canva AI. So it's already like designing for you. So I created 2 already, and I'm like obsessed with it, of course, because I think I mentioned this last week. I'm getting ready to release this like therapist GPT hub, but also I'm going to have these Canva web apps in there that are going to help therapists like in different aspects of their private practice using these web apps. So I built one out that it basically is like, how can I create a scalable offer? And I shared this with the AI Club members yesterday, and they were like, oh my God, this is so cool. So we were playing with it at our implementation session. But basically, what I did is I went to ChatGPT. I said, this is this tool I want to give my members of this new product that I'm going to be releasing. And it's basically like, it's a calculator, but it's also a decision maker to help you figure out like, okay, I want to do a scalable offer. I want to offer some sort of other thing that will help people, but also help me make more money to get out of that one-to-one model. So I had it build out, and with ChatGPT's help, like I was going back and forth, like I wanted to do this, I wanted to do this, I wanted to do this. Help me create this thing, and I want to make it into one of these web apps. So I went through this whole thing with ChatGPT and told it basically, okay, that's exactly what I want this thing to do. Now I want you to create a prompt for me that I can take this prompt and I can plug it into this Canva AI code, no code web app developer thing, plug it in. And basically I literally plugged in this really long, extensive prompt that I created with ChatGPT for this really cool tool I wanted, plugged it in, hit enter, And Canva made it into this amazing tool, and it's like a super sophisticated app, something like you would download from the App Store or pay for from the App Store, and it, like, walks you through, like, what kinda offer do you want? What's your specialty? What price point were you thinking? Or how much more money do you wanna make every month? Like, that's one of the questions in there. And then, I mean, you could put anything. You put, "I wanna make $1,000,000 a month," so it's gonna help you figure this thing out. It's gonna help you figure out the offer, and it walks you through this whole, like, amazing process, and then at the end, it says, "Okay, here's what your offer should be." And it uses AI to figure all this stuff out, and it's, like, doing it through this really sophisticated form that I created with this Canva web app. So, that's just one of the ones I created. I created a couple others, and they're all gonna be available inside of this GPT Hub that I'm releasing probably August 1st, because I just sent out an email yesterday. If you're an AI Club member, check your email because I sent an email out yesterday inviting you all to be beta testers for this new AI product that I'm releasing for therapists in private practice. So the AI Club is like teaching AI, like it's AI facing and teaching you how to implement AI. And this new product is basically like AI done for you already. So we're going to have all these GPTs I've already created. Like I can't even tell you, there's one GPT I created that has got me so excited. It's basically like a referral network builder, but it goes out, searches the web with these really specific parameters, finds somebody that you should be collaborating with and networking with that like complements your niche. And it also like writes up a template or a letter or an email to invite them to a virtual coffee and why your niches are congruent and why you would be good referral systems for each other. But it does all this by like searching Psychology Today and all this other stuff. So that is already done. I'm already, like, filed for, like, a trademark on that one because it's so freaking cool. I can't wait to share it inside of this hub. But all of these GPTs that I've built, I think I've got 20 of them now that are gonna be inside of this hub, are also gonna have this complimentary web app that goes with it that helps further hone in on what you're trying to do. So I'm just so excited about this, you guys. I'm so excited. And Canva having this tool available to do this is really cool. Now, I did try to do it. I'm doing it with Canva just because I already have a Canva Pro subscription and I've got a WordPress site. So basically, I can publish it to a URL through my WordPress site, but like keep it privately hidden. Like that's how I'm going to like manage this and then offer it inside of my membership hub. But there were some other tools because I was like, well, what if I didn't want to do it that way? So I just want to tell you if you're listening and this is something that interests you and you want to develop web apps, maybe for your clients or sell them as a side hustle, here's some other ones I want to tell you about. Let me pull up this list I've because I've kind of been researching it to make sure I'm doing it the best way. So some other ones, in case you're listening and you're interested in this type of thing, one is called glideapps.com. It's a no-code app builder that you can use. Tally.so, Pory.io, so Pory.io. Outseta plus Webflow is another one that you can do. There's one called Bubble.io. I've heard of that one a couple of times. And these will build no-code apps for you. So something about me that you might not know is way back in 2008, I developed an app. Like I hired an app developer. It was a guy in India that was really good with that stuff. I hired him. And I actually built an app for the app stores back in 2008. My app was the second hypnosis app on the App Store way back when. So for a long time, it was very popular, and then I got distracted with private practice and other interests because I'm like that. I'm just kind of flighty with the offers that I do. And it kind of like, it hung around for about 10 years actually. And then the other apps came around like Calm and, all these really popular apps now and sort of took it over. And I just kind of like let it go by the wayside. But building apps did not used to be so easy. It costs a lot of money. But with these things that I'm talking about now, like this bubble.io or even this Canva thing that I'm talking about, you can make these into apps really easy now. So if you're somebody like me that you've got like these ideas and these like, okay, maybe I can make an app for my clients because they're always asking me about this. Maybe I could offer some other digital offer and then offer it to the rest of the world. Like these are ways to do that now. It's super easy to do it. And of course, I just told you how I'm doing it for what I'm working on right now, which is so exciting to me. But yeah, so that's just what I'm doing right now. And I'm offering this into that. I'm calling it TheraGPT Hub, I think is what I'm going to name it. But, I'm kind of like my beta testers are going to help me think of the best name for it. So I'm excited about that too. But anyway, like I said, if you're in the clinical AI club already, check your email because we did send an email yesterday asking you to be a beta tester and it's for the first 25. We've already had like 22 people respond. So, yeah, I think 22 people have already responded. So I met with my business manager today and we talked about like maybe we'll give it to 30 people. So check your emails if you want to be a beta tester for this new product that I'm going to be offering. I'm really excited about it. But anyway, that's what's going on with me. That's what's going on with AI. That's ways that you can use AI to expand and scale your business as well. So I hope you found that helpful. And also check out Barry's new templates that you can use for your progress notes and that you can also really customize and personalize too. They're amazing. You're just going to not even believe how comprehensive they are. Okay. All right. Well, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a great week and I will see you next week.